off over AAP's Operation Lotus Charge. BJP rejects allegations, files complaint with LG. LG orders lightning fast probe. Anti-graft agency probes AAP claims. AAP calls probe a drama.
एलजी चिट्ठी लिख रहे हैं एसीबी को, एसीबी पहुंच रही है, यहाँ जा रही है, वहाँ जा रही है। अरे क्यों? मैं खुद आ गया शिकायत करने।
That is our top focus at 6 p.m. Prime.
It's the eve of Delhi's verdict. All the buzz was surrounding exit polls, whether it will come true, who will really have the edge starting off counting tomorrow. But amid that, you had a political showdown again, and that shows you how this is perhaps a high-stake battle for every political party involved. The Aam Aadmi Party claimed that as many as 15 of their leaders received offers from the BJP, and Arvind Kejriwal said that essentially these leaders were offered 15 crores if they switched over to the BJP. Now, for the last 24 hours, they've been making these allegations, but they've not named the BJP leader, who apparently is called their leaders. They haven't given any evidence per se. The BJP went ahead and asked the Lieutenant Governor to order an investigation. In a matter of 15 to 20 minutes, the order came through. The ACB was on its way to Arvind Kejriwal's residence. Now, the Anti-Corruption Bureau maintains that AAP leaders are not cooperating. We sum up for you all the dramatic developments of the day in our next report.
With hours to go for result day in Delhi, massive political hangama in Delhi has broken out. This over the Aam Aadmi Party's huge claim against the BJP, stating their netas are being offered 15 crore rupees by the Saffron Party in a bid to poach them.
जी हाँ, शिकायत देने आए हैं। हमारे वकील साहब हमारे साथ हैं और जिस तरह से दिल्ली में खरीद फरोख्त करने का काम किया जा रहा है, 15-15 करोड़ की रिश्वत देने का काम किया जा रहा है, विधायकों मंत्रियों को तोड़ने का काम किया जा रहा है, उसकी शिकायत मैं एसीबी भवन में एसीबी के दफ्तर में करने के लिए आया हूँ।
A claim which prompted Delhi LG VK Saxena to order Anti-Corruption Bureau probe against the AAP. The LG ordered a probe within minutes of the BJP shooting a letter to Saxena for the same. BJP netas have been asking for proof from Kejriwal and company of the poaching charge levelled by them.
ये नहीं चलेगा कि आप कुछ भी बकवास करेंगे और उसका परिणाम आप नहीं भुगतेंगे। आपने जो आरोप लगाए हैं घटिया बेबुनियाद हैं। अगर आपके पास तथ्य हैं तो रखिए, नहीं तो फिर इसका परिणाम भुगतने के लिए तैयार रहिए। और मैं बार-बार कह रहा हूं, आप जिस तरह की घटिया राजनीति करते हैं, दिल्ली वाले इस राजनीति को पसंद नहीं करते।
The ACB team in no time reached Kejriwal's residence and claimed Arvind Kejriwal wasn't being cooperative during the investigation.
स्टेटमेंट के लिए अभी जो ये लोग आए इनके पास, क्योंकि वो कंप्लेंट नहीं है, कंप्लेंट एसीबी ऑफिस में है। इन्होंने 2-3 टीमें बना के, क्योंकि एक ड्रामा बनाना था, इसलिए ये लोग यहाँ पर आए। इनके पास ना कोई कंप्लेंट की कॉपी है, ना इनके पास नोटिस की कॉपी है। हम लोगों ने ये कहा है कि आपके पास जब भी आपको स्टेटमेंट लेनी है, हम स्टेटमेंट देंगे, हमारे पास सबूत है, हम सब चीजें करेंगे, लेकिन कानून के दायरे में, गैर कानूनी तरीके से हम अलाउ नहीं करेंगे।
In a political one-upmanship battle, AAP leaders then went to ACB office to file their own complaint.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी इस देश की सबसे महाभ्रष्ट पार्टी है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी विधायकों को खरीद फरोख्त करने वाली, तोड़फोड़ करने वाली पार्टी है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी सीना ठोक के ऑपरेशन लोटस चलाने वाली पार्टी है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी जिसने महाराष्ट्र की सरकार गिराई, कर्नाटक की सरकार गिराई, मध्य प्रदेश की सरकार गिराई, उत्तराखंड की गिराई, अरुणाचल की गिराई, उनके बारे में आपको सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए कि वो बेईमान नहीं है।
Just before the Delhi poll climax, the stakes are high, and that is evident in the intense war of words. With Amit Bharadwaj in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
And the Anti-Corruption Bureau is now claiming that the Aam Aadmi Party leaders are not cooperating with the investigation. Sources in the ACB have told India Today that AAP has failed to even give the list of 16 candidates of the Aam Aadmi Party who allegedly received this call and this offer from the BJP. Now, the AAP has maintained that 16 of their candidates were offered 15 crores if they were willing to switch over to the BJP. The ACB has asked them for a list of who these leaders were. And according to sources in the ACB, they haven't received that clarity of who the candidates were who were lured by the BJP. Now, Kejriwal's statement is yet to be recorded. Mukesh Elawad, an AAP leader who claimed he got that call from the BJP, his statement is yet to be recorded. Sanjay Singh's statement also yet to be recorded. And this has prompted the ACB to also go ahead and issue a notice to these leaders. Let me bring in our reporters on the ground. We've got Amit Bharadwaj joining us live from Kejriwal's residence, who's getting us the latest on what the AAP strategy is. Piyush Mishra also joining us live on how the BJP is responding to this. Good evening to both of you. Amit, I'll begin with you. Where you are at Kejriwal's residence is where all of the drama played out today of ACB sleuths landing up there. The Anti-Corruption Bureau is maintaining, Amit, that the AAP leaders are not willing to cooperate. Is that really the case? Has AAP said that, look, this is an investigation that we don't want to be a part of?
Akshata, you know, it's a different side of the story from as far as Aam Aadmi Party is concerned. What happened outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence was that as soon as that news came out that ACB team is rushing to 5 Firozshah Road where Arvind Kejriwal lives, you had the AAP legal cell's lawyers standing as, barrier between the ACB and Arvind Kejriwal. And senior lawyer Sanjeev Nasyar himself was standing to ask questions from the ACB officials who were there. What we are given to understand by the Aam Aadmi Party's legal cell is that the ACB officials did not had the copy of the legal notice or the legal mandate to question Arvind Kejriwal or to even record his statement. And, they asked and it's also about the legal nuances. So these people like Sanjeev Nasyar were talking about, if they want to record a statement, there has to be a legal document in the place, in which case this statement needs to be recorded because our complaint is still being filed at the ACB headquarters. That is the Sanjay Singh's complaint that was being filed at the ACB headquarters. And Mr. Nasyar claimed that, this team is unaware of those facts, number one. Number two, no notice in their hands. And eventually what happened after 90 minutes was that ACB handed over that notice to Arvind Kejriwal's lawyers and the team left. What is very interesting about the ACB notice is that it does not mention the fact that the inquiry has been launched after the recommendation of Delhi LG VK Saxena. It neither mentions the fact that whether this probe on inquiry into the allegations of Aam Aadmi Party is because of the BJP's complaint that was filed with LG VK Saxena or Sanjay Singh's complaint which has been filed with the ACB. So those details are still missing, but yes, there are very pointed questions which have been asked from Arvind Kejriwal. Now the legal team of Aam Aadmi Party is saying that we will go through the notice and in a time-bound manner will respond, and we will also choose how to respond to these questions. Back
so all of this drama playing out with just about less than 13 hours essentially to go for the results to start trickling in the national capital. Piyush, I'd like to bring you in also on this broadcast. The BJP has squarely denied these allegations. It's based on their complaint that you've seen action also being taken. But there will be a question, Piyush, in the manner in which this action has been taken, how fast you've seen really the authorities cracking down as soon as the BJP filed that complaint.
Well, absolutely, Akshata. Just hours before the results start trickling in, we are now seeing as to how the politics has taken shape in national capital. It all started with Sanjay Singh claiming that around 16 Aam Aadmi Party MLA candidates have received calls in which BJP leaders are offering them 15 crores each to switch their sides to BJP after the results are announced. BJP initially had rejected the claims, and then we also saw BJP threatened legal actions against the leaders who are making these claims. But we saw as to how the leaders continuously, Aam Aadmi Party leaders were continuously making all these claims. They were also saying that they have all the evidences. Following which Vishnu Mittal, who is the senior leader of Delhi BJP, he wrote a letter to Delhi LG requesting him to initiate a probe via Anti-Corruption Bureau. Now the probe has been initiated. ACB went to the residence of Arvind Kejriwal. They also wanted to go to the residence of Sanjay Singh, but Sanjay Singh himself went to the ACB headquarters. So the BJP has squarely rejected all these allegations and has said that these allegations are being made out of sheer frustration because Arvind Kejriwal can see his imminent defeat, and tomorrow by the end of the day the results will be announced and BJP is going to form the government. But what is more interesting here is that there are few questions which the ACB has asked from these leaders, and for the benefit of our viewers, let me point out these questions where ACB is asking about the details of 16 candidates of MLA of Aam Aadmi Party who have received phone calls. ACB is also asking the details of phone numbers, persons who approached the aforesaid MLAs regarding the
So who contacted these MLAs? Who are the MLAs who got the calls? Which phone number did it come from? These are some of the questions the ACB has asked, to which so far there's been no response from the Aam Aadmi Party. Thanks very much, Amit and Piyush, for joining us with those details. That point I mentioned earlier about how this is, a snap of a finger kind of investigation that you're seeing, absolutely lightning fast probe. I'll explain to you why I'm saying that. At 12:30 is when the BJP shot across a letter to the Delhi Lieutenant Governor for an investigation into these allegations of poaching. Now, in a matter of less than 1 hour, at 1:20 in the afternoon, you had the Delhi Lieutenant Governor immediately going ahead and ordering a probe based on BJP's letter, saying this mandates a thorough investigation. And then 1 hour later, you had the Anti-Corruption Bureau already at Arvind Kejriwal's residence. Essentially, at 1:20, the LG forwarded a complaint that came in from the BJP. And then in 1 hour, the ACB's accepted that. They've started off the investigation. They're at Kejriwal's residence. And it's all moved so fast that the Aam Aadmi Party really didn't have time to respond legally. So what they're doing right now is that they're saying that the ACB turned up there without any papers, which is why we couldn't cooperate with the investigation. Instead, you had an AAP delegation visiting the ACB office. Let's round up for you all the developments that have come in this entire saga between the AAP and BJP that's now also led to a formal investigation. A 3-member team of the Anti-Corruption Bureau reached Kejriwal's residence this afternoon after the Lieutenant Governor ordered an investigation. The ACB sleuths were, however, denied entry. So they stood outside for hours, finally left after serving a notice to Kejriwal. The ACB has issued a notice to Kejriwal with 5 questions. He's been asked to be available today to provide details of the 16 candidates who allegedly received these bribe offers. Additionally, Kejriwal has been asked to share phone numbers from whom the call came through making these bribe offers. AAP MP Sanjay Singh filed a counter complaint against the ACB. After receiving the complaint, the ACB recorded Sanjay Singh's statement. Sanjay Singh provided the mobile number from which the call was allegedly made to him. Provided those details to the ACB. According to sources, the Anti-Corruption Bureau has also served a notice to AAP leader Mukesh Ahlawat because he is alleged that he's one of those who received a call from the BJP. The BJP, meanwhile, has lashed out at the AAP after all that's happened and these allegations. So for the last 24 hours, we've been seeing this bitter war of words between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP playing out in the national capital over these allegations of poaching and Operation Lotus. Let's get you some of those reactions.
गाली गलौज पार्टी पैसे के दम पे गुंडागिरी के दम पे चुनाव लड़ने की कोशिश करती रही, हम सब जानते हैं। और आज भी गाली गलौज पार्टी जिस तरह की हरकत कर रही है, आपसे भी छिपा नहीं है किस तरह की हरकत कर रहे हैं। ये तो अब कल के बाद उनका सारा खत्म हो जाएगा।
ऐसी बातें करके पता नहीं कौन सी सनसनी फैलाना चाहते हैं, पता नहीं कौन सी साजिश को आज के अपने स्टेटमेंट के आधार पे वो आगे बढ़ाना चाहते हैं। मुझे लगता है अब आगे अपने राजनीतिक जीवन में ट्वीट पे ही मिलेंगे अरविंद केजरीवाल। अब जनता तो इनको नहीं बिठाने वाली है, जिस प्रकार का इनका चाल चरित्र और इनका नियत रहा है।
ये भाजपा की हार की बौखलाहट दिख रही है आपको। एसीबी की टीम के पास ना कोई लीगल नोटिस है, ना उनके पास कोई स्टैंप है, जहां तक मेरी जानकारी है कोई कागजात नहीं है उनके पास। यहाँ बैठे हैं संजय सिंह जी, वो एसीबी के दफ्तर में है, हमारी शिकायत लेकर गए हैं वो वहां पर कि कहां से कॉल आ रहा है। तो यहाँ ये नौटंकी क्यों मचा रहे हैं?
पिछले 5 साल से जो झूठ बोलते आ रहे अरविंद केजरीवाल, ये आज फिर वही नौटंकी की कि मेरे एमएलए को खरीदने की कोशिश की जा रही है। और जब सबूत मांगे जाते हैं, घर एसीबी जाती है तो उनको सहयोग करने से इनकार कर देते हैं। बताइए, 15-15 करोड़ ऑफर दिया गया हो और उन एमएलए का नाम ना बताएं, उन उम्मीदवारों का नाम ना बताएं। ये सबसे पहले अगर कोई काम कर सकता है झूठा काम, तो अरविंद केजरीवाल कर सकते हैं। क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि उनको पता है वो कल हारने जा रहे हैं।
Okay, so away from this political showdown, we're hours away from the result day in the national capital. And at this point, everyone's relying on exit polls to understand which way the wind is blowing. Most exit polls have predicted BJP's victory and a setback for the Aam Aadmi Party. And this has, of course, led to a flurry of reactions coming in from the national capital. Some welcoming the exit polls, some dismissing it, saying, wait for the results tomorrow, wait for February 8th. Let's get you some of those reactions.
हम सीधा सरकार में आते हैं, सर्वे में नहीं आते। 8 तारीख को आप देखेंगे आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार बनेगी। केंद्रीय मंत्रिमंडल से लेके राज्यों के मुख्यमंत्रियों तक और आधे से ज्यादा विधायक और आधे से ज्यादा सांसद दिल्ली में डेरा डाले रहे, परंतु केजरीवाल दोबारा आ रहे हैं। और बीजेपी के डर बता रहा है कि इन्होंने अभी से दुकान फिर सजा दी। नतीजे जो भी हो हमारे पास आओ।
देखिए, एग्जिट पोल का हम सम्मान करते हैं और एग्जिट पोल जिस तरह का भविष्यवाणी कर रहे हैं, तो मुझे लगता है कल तक का इंतजार करना चाहिए, परिणाम आने दीजिए। दिल्ली की जनता बदलाव चाहती है, ये उनके मूड से स्पष्ट है और मुझे उम्मीद है कि कल दिल्ली में डबल इंजन की सरकार बनेगी।
एग्जिट पोल सही है गलत है ये तो कोई नहीं जानता, कभी सही भी निकलते हैं, कभी गलत भी निकलते हैं। क्या कुछ लोग अच्छे मार्जिन से बीजेपी को जिता रहे हैं, कुछ कांटे की टक्कर दिखा रहे हैं, कुछ आम आदमी पार्टी को जीतता दिखा रहे हैं। तो क्या स्थिति है क्या नहीं है ये तो 8 को पता चलेगी। लेकिन वही मैंने कहा ना, रिजल्ट आने के पहले किसको क्या, अगर किसी को ऑफर, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूं भारतीय जनता पार्टी ऑफर नहीं देती है, देती है और जरूर दे रही होगी किसी को, लेकिन पता तो चले कौन विधायक बनेगा। भाई मुझे कोई क्यों ऑफर देगा अगर मैं विधायक ही नहीं हूं, या कोई और को।
जो एग्जिट पोल अपने सर्वे के माध्यम से जानकारी देता है वो कई मायने में सही नहीं निकलता। जो मतदान हुआ है उसकी पूरी सच्चाई आपको कल मिल जाएगी। किसकी सरकार बनेगी, किसकी सरकार जाएगी।